First off, we want to congratulate and thank you for purchasing Smart Funnels. We know the software you just purchased will save you time, save you money, and make it easier than ever for you to create money-making funnels that will help you generate more leads, more sales, and of course, more commissions with just a click of your mouse. Smart Funnels includes everything you need to create high-converting quiz funnels, which includes the all-important money pages. And it will only take you a few short minutes to create a winning funnel that is guaranteed to make you money. But what if there was a way we could make it even faster and easier for you to make money with the software you just purchased? You see, doing all the work yourself is going to take a lot of time. First, you have to create the right funnel. Then you have to put together your first quiz or poll. And then you have to create a money page. Once you've put all this together, if you've successfully created the funnel in the correct way, you will make money just like we do. But there's an easier way that doesn't involve guesswork or hours, days, or weeks of reinventing the wheel. But if you do this alone without our help, you're probably going to fail the first few times you try this. So my question for you today is this: how would you like us to do all of the work for you? Let me explain. There's no question that the more funnels you have online, the more money you will make. So we started thinking about ways we could help you save even more time and have more winning funnels right at your fingertips. We had a few different ideas, but after a little back and forth, we decided to just give you some hot, ready-to-go funnels that you can have up and running with the click of your mouse. We already have multiple funnels of our own that are proven to convert, generate hordes of fresh leads, and make money through the all-important money pages. So we decided to bundle up our best funnels and give you access to use them as your own. Fresh newbies are already generating at least $200 per day using these done-for-you funnels, as these are proven to convert and include everything you need so you don't even have to lift a finger. We've done all the hard work for you. That includes done-for-you funnels, done-for-you quizzes, done-for-you opt-in system, done-for-you campaigns, done-for-you offers, and proven to convert money pages that anyone could simply tap into and generate leads, sales, and commissions on complete autopilot. As soon as this week, we're offering 2 done-for-you packages below. To use these proven to make money done-for-you funnels, all you have to do is choose the option that works best for you below, and we'll automatically add these done-for-you funnels to the dashboard inside of your Smart Funnels software. That means there's nothing for you to install, so you can start using these ready-to-go money-making funnels right away. Because they're inside the dashboard, all it takes is a single click of your mouse to start using these funnels. And within minutes from now, you can have a proven funnel online with your autoresponder details automatically plugged so you can generate leads. And your affiliate link connected to the funnel so you're ready to put affiliate commissions in your PayPal account today. This makes it easier than it's ever been to make money online. Every single done-for-you funnel included with this money-making upgrade includes high-converting quiz funnels that are proven to get extremely high opt-in rates. Money pages strategically selected and crafted that are proven to sell products over and over again. Sales copy, images, and buy buttons are already in place. The technical aspects of hooking up the funnels in the correct way is already done. All you need to do is insert your autoresponder details and your affiliate links to ensure you get the leads and the sales when someone goes through one of these done-for-you funnels. And if you want to customize anything within the funnel, all it takes is a few clicks of your mouse. If you want to make money as quickly as possible and leave nothing to chance, this upgrade is the next best thing to us just handing you free money, since these funnels are all top quality and proven to convert. Once you get one done-for-you funnel up, if you want to make more money, all it takes is a few clicks of your mouse, and you've got another top-quality funnel up and making you money while you sleep. Anytime you want to grow your income, just rinse and repeat. This is as close to 100% autopilot income as it gets. You're literally just clicking your mouse a few times, and everything is 100% done for you. We've done all the heavy lifting for you. creating the high-converting quiz funnel, putting together all the important money pages, the testing, the tweaking, the technical work to put together the funnels, so you can simply copy and paste your way to immediate success. This is as close as it gets to push-button leads and commissions. Instead of reinventing the wheel, you can simply tap into these done-for-you funnels that generate cash on demand. You will have the exact system that generates at least $2,000 per week on complete autopilot, handed to you for less than a tank of gas. That's crazy! You know it, and I know it, and you're not going to find a better deal elsewhere. With everything already battle-tested and ready to go, there really is no reason to reinvent the wheel. Simply tap into our done-for-you funnels and boom! You will generate leads, sales, and commissions on complete autopilot. Right now, you have two options to choose from below. The first option gives you a big selection of done-for-you complete funnels for a highly discounted one-time investment. And if you want to make even more money, we've got you covered there with our Pro option that gives you instant access to an even bigger selection of funnels for just a few bucks more. Regardless of the option you choose, getting this upgrade will make you money and save even more time than you're already saving just using the Smart Funnels software alone. And as our valued customer, both options have been discounted from the normal pricing, so you're getting in on this at the lowest investment possible. But please, don't close this page without choosing one of the options below. This is a special one-time offer, and if you try to come back later and get these done-for-you funnels, you will find yourself paying a lot more. Because we know firsthand just how much money you can make with these done-for-you funnels, we're going to make this irresistible by giving you the next 30 days to make sure this is for you. If you decide this done-for-you upgrade is not for you for any reason, just let us know within 30 days from today and we'll get you a refund of your tiny investment. That means there is nothing to lose here. We are taking on all the risk, and we wouldn't be able to offer a guarantee like this if we weren't 100% sure that these done-for-you funnels would be easy to use and make you a lot of money. If you want to make as much money as possible with the Smart Funnels software you just purchased, you like the idea of using funnels that are already proven to make money and generate leads, and you want to get going right away with as little time and effort as possible, then this upgrade is for you. All you have to do is choose an option below to lock in your discount and enjoy more funnels, more free time, and more money in your pocket.